Now, if you're someone that thinks you need these fancy machines or fancy weights in order to build stronger glutes, then you're gonna wanna watch until the end of this video. In today's video, I wanted to share with you some simple ways that you can easily strengthen your glutes without requiring heavy weights. Let's get started. Welcome back, guys. It's Dr. Mike, and I'm a physical therapist providing tips on how to build strength and longevity with your body. Today, we're gonna teach you some simple ways that you can easily strengthen your glutes without requiring any special equipment or any heavy weights. And all you're really gonna need for today's workout is an elastic loop band. You can find these on Amazon or any sporting goods store. And the most important part I want you to remember here is that the bands have to have enough resistance while you're performing the exercise. If you do this with a band that's maybe smaller or maybe too thin or doesn't require enough resistance with the exercises, it's not gonna require the demand that you need in order to make adaptations for strength gains and really start to see some progress in building stronger glutes. So we wanna make sure you have the right band that's thick enough, and that's gonna require you to be challenged when you're working on reps for between 8 to 10 at a time here. So the first exercise we're gonna teach you is a monster step or monster walk. And we're simply gonna take this band and we're gonna wrap it around our knees here. We're gonna notice that the band is going just above the knees here, okay? Sometimes you can also perform this exercise with it around your ankles, but for today's exercise, we're gonna keep it just above the knees. And what the band is doing now is it's starting to push my knees and my legs inward, okay? So I'm gonna require my glutes and my hip muscles to pull the band outward. And if you just hold in this position here, you're gonna feel a lot of tension and you're gonna feel your glute muscles kicking on as well. Now, if you stand up nice and tall, this is gonna be very difficult. So we're gonna have you kind of have like a slight lean over with your trunk to help really activate those glute muscles. Now I can just stand here, and most importantly, I'm gonna start with my feet about hip width apart, and I'm always gonna keep tension on the band. So as I'm stepping laterally side to side, I maintain that tension, I maintain that space in between my feet there, and I'm keeping my feet facing forward in front of me, okay? Sometimes you'll see people cheating and they'll turn their feet out and they kind of get out of this position, but I really want you to focus on keeping those feet facing forward and maintaining that tension along the band. And when you're performing this, we're gonna shoot for about 3 to 4 sets, anywhere between 15 to 20 repetitions at a time, okay? All right, the next exercise we're gonna use is a supine bridge, and we're gonna use that same circle elastic band wrapped around our knees, and we're gonna get our feet about hip width apart once again. My hands are gonna go down at my side, and I'm gonna start the exercise by pushing my knees outward into the band, which is going to activate my glute muscles. And then using my feet, I'm gonna push my feet into the ground as I raise my hips up as high as I can. To feel the lower back muscles and the hamstrings kick on more, you can lift those toes up towards the ceiling, really feel that activation in the glute muscles, and then you can lower back down. When you're gonna perform this, you're gonna practice 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions at a time, okay? All right, moving on to the next exercise, which is going to be the sideline clam. Notice I have the band wrapped around my knees, just above those knees right there, and I'm on my side with my knees about at a 90-degree angle here, okay? So we don't want them too far behind us, but we don't want them too high up towards our chest. So our hips are about 90 and our knees are about 90 degrees there. What you're gonna do is now you're gonna take that top leg and you're gonna bring it as high as you can up towards the ceiling, so the band is trying to pull you down as you use those glute muscles to push up. What I don't want you to do is rotate your whole pelvis and turn your body, because if the band is challenging enough, you're really gonna start to compensate using your entire body. I really want you to force yourself to stay on your side and really get all of that activation in your glute muscles right back here. You can even feel it there if you place your hands over the back side where your hip muscles are located. And really you're gonna focus on 3 to 4 sets of about 10 to 15 reps at a time there, okay? Now the last exercise that we're gonna use to help strengthen your glutes is not only gonna focus on glute strengthening, but also gonna focus on building up a strong core. And we call this the side plank clamshell. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna prop up and you're gonna start off with your elbow just underneath the shoulder there, okay? We have the same band around your knees just like so, and your feet are gonna be close together, okay? They're kind of glued together. You're gonna prop up on your side and you're gonna raise that top leg up towards the ceiling. And then what you're doing with that bottom leg is you're actively pushing your hips away from the ground. Sometimes you'll see this exercise prescribed for individuals and they're so focused on that top leg that they forget about what's going on the bottom leg. We should be actively pushing away from the ground with that leg, as well as pulling that knee up towards the ceiling and keeping an active shoulder, because I'm really trying to not allow my body to sag. I'm staying nice and tall as much as I can. And with this exercise here, you can focus on an isometric hold where you do 2 to 3 reps on each side and maybe focus on 20 to 30 seconds at a time there, okay? Now there you have it. Those are some of the most effective and simple ways that you can use to help build stronger glutes without requiring any heavy weights. Now, if you want more information on how to build stronger legs or stronger glutes using weights at home, take a look at these videos I made here. In the meantime, if you want more information on how to build strength longevity with your body, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.